care for me? But you also care for her? And you care for her? And you care for her? Ano ka? Caregiver?
Titigan mo, pagsawaan mo tingnan. Nakakakigil pag di